High-efficiency wet mixing granulator. What we are seeing now is an efficient wet mixing granulator. This machine is a fully automatic closed solid preparation production equipment integrating feeding mixing, spraying, granulating, discharging, and cleaning. It completely solved the drawbacks of traditional equipment such as multiple equipment, multiple sites, multiple turnovers, high energy consumption, low efficiency, and high labor intensity. The main function of this machine is to mix powdery main auxiliary materials and binders into softer materials, and then mix the softer materials into particles with uniform dispersion and uniform particle size. It is widely used in the mixed granulation production of main materials and auxiliary materials in the pharmaceutical and food industries. The operation adopts highly integrated control of PLC and frequency conversion technology. The materials and production process are in full compliance with the new GMP specifications. The main auxiliary powder is vacuum fed into feed tank. First of all, the vacuum source evacuates air in the sealed material cylinder through the pressure wire hose and the filter at the top of the cylinder head. Under the negative pressure suction force, the powder material rapidly enters the material cylinder through the steel wire hose. After the powder is pumped off, close the feed valve, open the exhaust valve, and start the cylinder bottom stirring paddle. First, the material is mixed at the low speed for a short time at the low rotational speed, and then the rotational speed is increased for high-speed mixing. The material at the bottom of the material cylinder is moved along the surface of the slurry to the inner wall of the material cylinder on the action of the spiral thrust of the impeller. After the wall is hit, it is affected by the double action of the thrust and the extrusion force, and the movement immediately changes to the upward direction. The upturned material hits the inverted cone at the upper part of the cylinder wall. The direction of movement changes again. It turns in the middle of the material cylinder, and finally it falls back to the bottom surface, and then enters the next cycle. The whole exercise process is continuous turning, tangential and rotating fluidization state, so that the mixing of materials is fully uniform. After mixing evenly, the automatic control system opens the spray function, purifies the compressed air, and presses the pressure in the pulp tank to the spray gun in the upper part of the cylinder head. The adhesive is atomized and sprayed onto the powder through the fan-shaped fan nozzle. Material surface. With the addition of the binder, the fluidized material gradually wets and becomes the softer material. At this time, the vortex flow generated by the high-speed cutting blade and stirring paddle horizontally installed on the pot wall is turbulent. The material is further fully crushed, collided, and sheared in the three-dimensional movement, so that the particles collide more evenly and carefully, and finally a stable spherical particle is formed. After the granulation is completed, the stirring paddle is turned into a low-speed gap. The discharge valve opens, and the wet granules flow into the wet granulator through the discharge port.